Hello guys, welcome to Gadget. We are starting to see smartphone companies create devices with a major emphasis on mobile gaming. Razer releases a smartphone dedicated to gaming, and ASUS just announced the ROG Phone, which again is being marketed towards gamers. Honor has just announced two new phones, the mid-range Honor 9i and the Honor Play, with a new feature called GPU Turbo that helps improve the mobile gaming experience. The company has also revealed how this GPU Turbo feature works and the list of other Honor devices that will receive the feature in the future update. So in this video, we're going to give you everything we know about the GPU Turbo. So what is GPU Turbo? The goal of GPU Turbo is to improve the mobile gaming experience. The company's initial tests show that even their mid-range devices has been able to beat the multi-threaded GPU performance of some flagship smartphones. Honor was able to achieve this by restructuring the traditional graphics framework at a lower level than simple software features. GPU Turbo relies on hardware-software integrated GPU acceleration to change how the GPU handles graphics processing. In turn, this not only improves the overall performance of the GPU, but it also improves power efficiency to a certain extent. The Honor Play will be the first smartphone to feature this new technology, but it will also be coming to existing devices as well. The company was able to confirm that GPU Turbo will find its way to the Honor 10, Honor View 10, Honor 9 Lite, and the Honor 7X in the future update. With Honor using the same Kirin chipsets that Huawei makes, I wouldn't be surprised if the feature eventually makes its way to some of Huawei's existing and/or future smartphones either. Those who are looking for numbers will be happy to hear that, in some circumstances, GPU Turbo was able to increase overall GPU performance by 60%, while also reducing system-on-a-chip power consumption by 30%. Not only will this improve the performance of traditional mobile games on mid-range and high-end smartphones, but it will support both AR and VR in the future. Playing VR games for an extended period of time can be tough due to both overheating and power consumption, so GPU Turbo sounds ideal for this use case. At the launch event for these two devices, the company did reveal some information about pricing and release dates as well. The base model of the Honor Play will run you $310, while the 4GB model with 64GB of internal storage increases the price a bit to $375. On the other hand, the lower-end Honor 9i is said to cost $220 for the base model with 4GB of RAM and 64GB of internal storage. This price goes up to $265 if you choose to get more internal storage of 128GB while keeping the same amount of RAM. You can pre-order the Honor Play right now in black and violet plus black and red color options with sales beginning in June 11th. Those who are interested in the Honor 9i will be able to purchase it tomorrow in Charm Blue, Dream Purple, Jasper, and Magic Night black color options. Both devices are available in China. We don't expect them to be available in the US, but even if they do, don't count on the bootloader unlocking being available. But anyway, which smartphone do you prefer? Let us know in the comment section below. Give us a like if you enjoyed the video and also subscribe for more info and updates. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.